So we're focusing on the higher education market specifically for quite some time, closely collaborating with universities, getting feedback and really co-developing ideas, feedbacks. And since a few years, last year actually the key claim was digital workflows by Sennheiser. So we try to optimize daily business routines and address this with a digital workflow addressed either in the Sennheiser control cockpit or functionalities that we add or implement into our products. And here at ISE 2020 we introduce a couple of new products addressing this again. So there's a reintroduction of MobileConnect, our assistive listening over Wi-Fi system, also won a Best of Show award. We introduced SpeechLine multichannel receiver, so that addresses the need for easy scalability on an entire campus. A new version of Control Cockpit, and also include the TeamConnect Ceiling 2 in the packaging for education solutions. And that's why we really have campus-wide audio as the claim of 2020. We really optimize our solutions that are seamless to deploy and actually that scalable that you can actually equip a whole campus. So we have PoE standardized on every unit. We have dual Dante support. We speak the IT security requirements like 802.1x on each of the products. And for seamless deployment, the Sennheiser control cockpit brings them all together. It's pretty much mix and match. So you can start with single channel units, but you could easily scale up to big campus-wide setups. And we constantly add new workflows. So only last year we added 50 plus new workflows into the Sennheiser control cockpit. New ways of working with devices, new ways of being notified in case something occurs. And all of these workflows have been added free of charge. So there's a constant development and progress of the products that the users can benefit from. Having this constant engagement with end users. 1 year we get the feedback, hey, can't you implement an export functionality to check what the lowest battery is in the morning? Or hey, can't you implement a feature where you can check if a microphone has been placed into the wrong charge of the wrong room? And sometime later we implement this feature and add this value to the user's workflows.